Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Once again, a very nice move. Late day on Tuesday, there was this little pullback right here, but that proved to be very healthy as this morning things really came out of the gates again roaring. And from there, the charts continue to work its way upwards. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and adjust this level up here. Sure, this area does still, it pertains. It's just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this up here and call the newest ideal level. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the most powerful going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 735. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below 735, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at this all from more so a bigger picture type viewpoint, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 735, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Main one going forward is just simply where the party stopped this morning, and that was right up there at $7, and we'll call it 80 cents. So 780, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, as long as the price continues to do what it started over the past couple of days, which is this right here, just starting to chip away at those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that right there is the name of the game. So like I said, as long as the price continues to do that, then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.